Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. First off, I want to sincerely apologize for our recent absence and any disappointment that may have caused. We promise to be more consistent moving forward, starting with today's update on the latest happenings in the world of the tow market. So, let's dive right in. One of the most promising developments is that a whopping 80% of tow market currency will go directly to the community. Only 20% is allocated for the currency owners, which covers liquidity, promotions, listings, and similar activities. This significant portion heading to the community is a fantastic sign, indicating our commitment to decentralization and shared success. Now let's talk about the countdown. Mark your calendars because on October 31st at midnight, we'll officially wrap up the mining phase. This means that from this point forward, no new participants will be able to join the bot, and any tokens accumulated after this time will not be credited. So it's crucial to be prepared. As we approach this moment, ensure you're ready. This is the time we'll allocate the tow market distributions. Remember, there was a snapshot taken earlier, and as we discussed, the adjustments will continue until we reach this crucial point on November 1st. So, what to expect on November 1st? At this stage, the bot will undergo a 24-hour maintenance period, meaning it will be temporarily closed for any activities. Just like before when we had a snapshot, this is our second snapshot, and it's vital for determining your allocations. So remember, on October 31st, mining ends, and on November 1st, expect maintenance. During this maintenance period, upgrades, payment functions, and star features will all be paused. So even if the bot seems to be functioning on November 1st, don't stress. Just wait until November 2nd for the updates and to see your tow market balance accurately reflected. This is the critical moment. If you need to make any adjustments, such as purchases or adjustments to your wallet, do so before midnight on October 31st. After this deadline, you won't be able to make any changes, so take action now. As for the listing details, I know you're eager to hear more. Unfortunately, we don't have any official information on that yet. However, let me share two theories. First, it's important to remember that from day one, I emphasized this project as a decentralized market. If a listing happens, it could be integrated within the bot, allowing you to withdraw in USDT. The second theory is that once we've completed the allocation on November 2nd, we'll have a clearer idea of potential listings. After mining ends, and we've seen how many tokens we have, discussions about listings will likely emerge. So what should you take away from all this? Keep an eye on the allocation process, as it will determine your earnings. The key is that 80% goes back to the community, and if all goes well, we'll have reason to celebrate. I wanted to ensure we covered everything comprehensively. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest developments. For the latest updates, make sure you're in our Telegram group where we post news. I'll drop links to each bot and our Telegram channels in the description. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.